Hello everyone, my name is Luis Angel and my partner is Edgar Alfaro Campos. And today we want to share the fascinating details of a research article in the field of applied mathematics and computer science. And here we have an introduction, we have the materials and methods that we used, the results, here we have a little examples of graph representations about the 10 best solo artists, so you can see you can have a little perspective of what we are implementing in our article. Here we have k-means clustering and k-medoids clustering and graphics that we obtained from our Python code. Um, the data we preprocessed and how we preprocess it, and the clustering algorithms that we used, the visualization that is basically what we have here. And here we have our conclusions and the references. First, to develop our article, we used advanced statistical modeling and machine learning techniques. We immersed ourselves in data preprocessing, feature selection, and the implementation of k-means and k-medoids clustering algorithms to explore the intricate relationship between beats per minute and the energy percentage in music, because that is what we are implementing. The use of k-means and k-medoids algorithms to understand the correlation between energy percentage and BPM in music. Um, to develop our article, we employed a combination of quantitative analysis and machine learning methodologies. The approach allowed us to unveil distinct patterns and preferences within musical data, shedding light in the dynamic interplay of tempo and perceived energy in listener experiences. And what is our contribution in our field? Our research successfully identified distinct clusters in musical preferences based in the correlation between BPM and energy percentage. This study not only made a contribution in the music creation community, but also provides an example of how our study field could relate to other industries like music.
Now let's talk about why our article meets the criteria set in the rubric. Firstly, we adhere to methodological rigor by using advanced statistical modeling and machine learning techniques, specifically k-means and k-medoids clustering algorithms, which we learned from our professor in the course of the semester that ensure the validity and reliability of our results. The relevance of the topic is reflected in understanding how musical attributes, specifically the correlation between beats per minute (BPM) and energy percentage, influence listeners' preferences and experiences. Our approach offers a new perspective in the field of music analytics, providing valuable insights for personalized music recommendations, genre categorizations, and enhancing the overall user experience. Our research demonstrates a comprehensive integration with existing literature, placing our findings in the context of previous studies. This not only enriches our understanding of the subject, but also contributes to the ongoing discourse in the field. Recognizing the importance of transparency, we openly discuss the limitations of our study. This acknowledgement is crucial for understanding the scope and potential constraints of our findings, like finding the best way to implement the algorithms in Python, but at the end, everything went just as we wanted.
Um, Talking about the organization and roles, to develop our article, we organize ourselves in the following way. There is a developer in charge of implementing the algorithm in the best way possible, so the results will be the one that we were expecting. And my partner, Edgar Alfaro, who is an expert on data analysis, who help us to interpret the data that we get from our main source.
Collaboration was key. We ensured that each member of the team stay in contact by social media and stay present in the project development, allowing effective synergy among the two of us.
In summary, we want you to get into the full details by reading our article. In the description, you will find the link. We appreciate your interest in our work, And if you have questions or comments, we can share it down below. And see you until the next time.